Hi, Kim here with another workout for you. Before you start, just quickly check around. There's nothing you're going to bash into or that you're going to hurt your feet on or trip over. So starting marching right, left, right, left. Take it wide. We're going to take a little tap. But just tummy up onto the toe. The arms swing gently. So shoulders are relaxed. You need to feel comfortable. So you can add a little bit of a bend in the middle if you wish. Just pointing my toe each side. Now let's change that to a heel. So lifting the heel, lifting the heel, lifting your heel. So really try and get really nice bend in the ankle if you can here. Don't worry too much if you can't. Just aim towards. Add some arms, just pushing forward and bringing the legs maybe a little bit further in, a little bit more comfortable, but still trying to get those toes up in the air and getting some movement in the heels. We're also going to some movement in the wrists. So I'm really flexing my wrist, pulling the fingers up towards the head. Let's take it back out to the side, so a tap and tap. So I'm taking my legs wide, feet barely move, letting the arms swing, relaxing the shoulders, keeping that head up. You don't need to look at your feet to know they're moving. Next time we're going to bring the foot in and touch. I'm effectively standing on one leg. I'm just bringing the toe to almost touch. I'm not stepping, I'm almost hovering. Really getting some work into those hips. Again, if it's too much, keep it smaller. Always you have the option of making it smaller, putting the second foot all the way down. Let's just march it through. 2 forward, 2 back. So come 2 to me, 2 back. I'll turn sideways so you can see. Stay facing me if you wish. You've got to work with the space you've got. So if I start to move a little bit further and you can't come towards me, you've got a bit of furniture in the way maybe, you're going to turn and face the way that works. I'm going to stay a little bit to the side, so a little bit easier for you to see what I'm doing. We're going to go forward for 4. That's 4, 3, 2, and a clap. 2, well done. Hold it here. 3, 2, 1, and a knee lift if you can. Now that is optional. If you'd rather keep it as a little toe tap, take it at your level. And if you want to make it harder, you can make it bigger, so step back and add a little knee lift. So if it's your first time doing this workout and you haven't exercised for a while, please keep it low. We're going to be doing this aerobic workout, low impact aerobic workout, gentle aerobic workout for 15 minutes. So you need to be able to try and get to the end, so you're better to pace yourself and just keep it here if you need to. If you're beginning to feel a bit breathless, make it smaller. If you're finding it too easy, please add those arms, add that knee lift, make a bit more movement. So that's one option. The other is here. It's your body, your workout. Somewhere in the middle, you push the arms in front if that feels better. You've got to do what feels right for you. We're trying to keep moving for 15 minutes, keep the body working, improving the function of the heart, helping you feel less breathless when you move. Take to a little side step again, step and touch. So again, you have a choice. You can now bring the foot in and touch it together, or if you want, you can actually lift the knee. Or here. But we're trying to take the weight so it's just in one leg. Try and keep the hips as stable as you can. Well done. So we have a knee lift. So I'm stepping out to the side and lifting that knee. Okay, let's just take it to knee lifts. So more on the spot now. So you might find, if you were finding the other knee lift a little bit hard, that this is a bit easier. But again, toe tap is fine too. There's your easier version. If you want to start making it harder, if you've been doing this workout for a while, you can always start to bring it up, add arms, lift that knee higher, or just let that knee come a little bit higher. Ready to march it through again. Take it wide. Just keep those feet moving. Be really feeling it in your bum now. Stepping together, stepping together. So now we're actually bringing that foot all the way in, and I want you to try and make that movement a bit bigger if you can. We have arms, 2 to the side, 2 back. You might need to shuffle along if you're in a small space. So again, arms are optional. You can keep them low. You can leave them out. If it's really too much, just let the arms swing and relax. Those of you that can and want to, challenge yourself a little bit by making that heart work a little bit harder by taking the arms above your head. But remember, we still need to get right to the end of the workout. Better to keep it low and keep moving. Okay, I'm going to change it slightly. We're going to take the arms round, hold it here, singles, double, well done, single, double. So, this is your low version. Really small maybe, arms are swinging gently. Bigger version, you can have a little hop if you want, swing those arms higher. So this really is the top version. I'm going to keep it somewhere in the middle where my arms come high, but my feet stay low. If it's too much for you, make it all smaller. Try and keep the feet moving if you need to stop, even if you just stand on the spot and just lift your heels. And always grab water if you need it. Well done. Hold it here, single. Let's change the arms out to the side. So here, I'm actually tapping down onto my legs. So you can slap if you want. A little bit noisy on the microphone if I do it for you. So if that's too much and your arms start to hurt, just shake them out and leave them. This is going to work back of your shoulder. Try and keep the arms so that they're out to the side, not in front, and only bring them up as high as the shoulders. Keep those shoulders relaxed. Last 4, 3, and we're going to change direction that way. So I'm going to change the arms now. So I'm pushing forward. I'm going to turn so you can see. Push forward. So I'm reaching forward at shoulder height, keeping the arms back to the shoulders. So again, the arms are optional. You can reduce them. When it gets too much, shake them out. Well done. And pause, other way. Let's bring it forward. So you can come forward 4 if you've got the space. If not, 2 forward, 2 back. I'm going to be really careful here. I don't kick the skirting board. Pretty painful in bare feet. Well done. March it through. Catch the beat. It's a little bit of an odd beat to start with. Better. So we're keeping the movements quite small now, it's quite fast. So here, really concentrate on getting those heels up. bit too forward, too back if you can. Again, it's really small here. It really isn't a big movement. You can make it a little bit bigger if you're able, but don't feel you have to. Don't think I've used this bit of music before. It's got a few odd beats in it. Let's take the arms out to the side and forward, out to the side and forward, out to the side and forward. Keep those feet going. Again, arms are optional. Well done. So if you want to make it harder, out to the side and up, forward and up. If not, keep it here. Obviously, if taking the arms above your head isn't good for you, if you've got a heart problem and you've been told to take things gently and not take your arms above your head, then please, well, if you have a heart problem, you probably need to have checked with your healthcare professional before working out with me. I'm going to keep the toes down and lift. So I'm just lifting, working through the feet. So what I want you to do while you're doing this one, a little bit faster now, is try not to let the hips go side to side. So think about engaging your core. So as if you're doing up a slightly tight perigee, pull your belly back towards your spine. Keep breathing, please. Yes, you held your breath, didn't you? I saw that. Add some arm movements. Let's take heels in front. So I'm trying to really tip the toes up. So if you want to make it harder, arms come bigger. If you want to keep it small, just softly bend at the elbow. Heels, ready to come back to toe. So I'm just massaging the feet into the floor. So you can do it slowly if you want, or faster if it works for you. Depends on your balance. A little bit of a jogger's walk. Well done. Make it slow. Really massage the feet into the floor. Well done. So getting some mobility in your feet. Have a quick peep down. Are your knees coming straight forward? Are they sticking out or maybe coming inwards? If they're going in the wrong direction, if they're not coming straight towards me, then try and be aware of that and adjust the movement. So some people have a habit of sort of doing this, others bring their knees in. And it might be subtle and it might only be one side. Let's go faster. And again, this is optional. You do it what feels right for you. You're ready to take it to heels. 3, 2, heels in front. Heel. Pushing forward with the arms. Or up if you wish. I'm going to keep it forward. My shoulders are already feeling like they've worked out today. Touching out to the side. So slightly different move again. Let those shoulders relax. You're not scrunching your shoulders up. You're just letting the arms gently swing, or not. And make sure you keep breathing throughout, nice deep breaths. Let's take that movement behind. So as you take your leg back, watch, arching your back. We're not sort of doing this. Slightly lean forward. Taking that right foot back. Stretch. So both feet are pointing forward. So check your back heel hasn't slipped in. If you're struggling to balance, you might need to take your legs wide. If you look, my legs are quite wide. I'm not here wobbling. Front knee bent, back leg straight. Take the hands onto the leg if you wish. We hold this for a little while, stretch through the calf. Let's change sides again. Watch the position of your back foot. Check you've got balance. If you need to, lean onto the front leg. Try and keep that neck relaxed, looking down towards the floor in front of your front foot. And feel that stretch in your calf. As long as you're feeling it sort of the back of the knee and really down into the calf, you're doing it correctly. Well done. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye for now.